Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record a sale inside the QBO. So let's say a customer came to our shop and he purchased some goods, but he promised he will pay the amount in the future. So how can we record this type of sale and inside the QBO? So all you need is to just go to this plus button and click on invoice. In this screen you can select your customer. Let's say customer name is customer1. Here you can add your customer email, billing. Here you can adjust your billing address, payment terms, invoice date, due date, and here you can select your product or services that you have sold to your customer. Let's say we sold copper pipe, and let's say the quantity of that pipe is 20. And if you have any type of message that you want to display on invoice or attachment or statement, you can also write here and it will display on invoice or statement. And if you want to link your special document to this invoice, you can also do that. Here you can see that the total amount is 2200, and once everything is done, just click on save and close. So now let's imagine a few days later the customer came to our shop and he deposit and he give us $1200. So how can we record $1200 that we have received from our customer? So again go to this plus button and click on receive payment, and here you can select your customer. Let's say customer is customer1, and here you can adjust your payment method. Let's say the payment method is he paid us by cash, and here you can put reference number. Let's say we want to link this payment to cash in hand account. Let's say he paid us $1200. Once everything is done, just click on save and close. If you go to the chart of account, click on chart of account, and here you can see that we have deposit $1200 to this bank account. And to see the detail, just click view register, and here you can see that this is our customer and we have deposit $1200 to this account. So our bank account is increased by $1200, and the total available balance is this. And if you go back to the chart of account again and click on account receivable, you can see that the original invoice of that customer is 2200, and but he paid us 1200. So the remaining amount is in the account receivable balance is this. So that's how you can record a sales inside the QBO. I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. I'll be seeing you in the next video. For now, bye bye.